Fezamarket is one of the fastest-growing e-commerce platforms, offering high commissions, a vast selection of products, and a global audience for affiliates. Earning $10,000 a month requires dedication and strategic planning. You'll need to generate around $67,000 in product sales monthly. To get started, register for the Fezamarket affiliate program, choose your niche, set up marketing channels, and get your affiliate links. Promote high-ticket products, leverage social media, optimize for SEO, run paid ads, and build an email list to earn effectively. Track your performance with Fezamarket's affiliate dashboard to monitor clicks and navigate your strategies based on data. Tools like Canva and Google Analytics can help you succeed in Fezamarket affiliate marketing by providing valuable insights and design capabilities. Common challenges include low conversion rates, audience targeting, and competition. Overcome these by building trust, understanding your audience, and adding value. Fezamarket pays affiliates monthly via PayPal, bank transfer, or other methods, ensuring you meet the minimum payout threshold. 2025 is the perfect year to start with Fezamarket due to its rapid growth and expanding opportunities in e-commerce. Focus on building trust with your audience and delivering value. With effort and smart strategies, $10,000 a month is achievable with Fezamarket affiliate marketing.